kahima khairim kumba Jylla man la usnem mynta usnem ru kalapan longi ka Shad Nongkrem ha ka rukom ka Phuh bat shongkun bha harangkat ki thei bat ki rangkin sai ki belami madan ban shim mynta ha ka tika Shad niam ka bajutip baro kum ka Shad Nongkrem lapan Phuh shushu ya ka tika Shad niam da ka jingwan sakhi lang ki pai ba na ki leng ki benta jong ki Jylla badwat na shabar ro ha ka ni ki sngi na ka liang umitri rang ba ga Jylla ukon ran ke sangma ha ka sien ka ban nyngkong ulalit ban sakhi ya ka tika Jylla niam ka ban long ha phalau yeng jong ka yeng sat ka Shad Nongkrem ka di ka Jylla niam ban ai ngo yau nong thau bat na ka benta ka jingkr khu ki bola the sei ya uben reu habaro ki liang ha ka ni ka Jylla niam na lo ka sha tan rai kala don ru ka jingpom ya ki blang ha ka ni ka sngi la yo ru ya ka jing batai lengkon na usem ka hima khairim upa em balajit em halor ka ni ka Jylla niam na ka liang umentri rang ba ha ba kren ha ka ni ka sngi ulapan pau ya ka jingkemen ba uyo ban sakhilang ya ka te ka Jylla niam bat kularu bana ka sarkar kin mang kerpang na ka benta ban pen Phuh shushu ya ka te ka Jylla niam nang ni shakhamat
Yes, on this occasion of Shad Nongkrem, I would like to wish all the people of our state of Meghalaya, especially our citizens from Khasi Hills, on this very auspicious day. And I would like to thank everybody for inviting me. I am here today to witness a very, very important ritual called Pomblang. And this is the first time that I have been in this ritual, and it just reflects and showcases our rich heritage and our rich culture of our people, and the fact that we need to preserve it and ensure that we do our best to maintain it, and that future generations can also learn from it. And that's why, after speaking to Paim and to the other elders of CM of Khairem and all the other organizers out here, and even our elected representatives, we have just decided that we will, from the government, we will give our support to develop this particular place where this ritual is being held for more than 100 years, almost 200 years. Ritual is being held in this very precise location, and yet there's not enough development to promote that, and also to attract tourists is not happening. So I'm happy to inform you also that I have decided that we will be supporting and giving infrastructural support out here, so that this could become a permanent site, which it already is, but have the required amenities, and also become a good tourist attraction to really showcase the rich heritage and the rich culture that our people and our state has.
Today we are celebrating the Nongkrem dance. Tomorrow will be the final day, the 12th November. But today is a very, very important and auspicious day for us, because we pay obeisance to God Almighty and also to the deity of Himachalong, Ulachalong. So we have done the rituals, we have done the sacrifice, and the dance is there now. Where along with what we have, we also have to follow some protocols because of the situation, the pandemic situation that still prevails. Though it has lessened quite a lot, and protocols have been relaxed. So we look forward to God Almighty to bless us during our festival, so that the coming months will see us have a clear, clean nature, where the pandemic is done with ultimately. And we hope that God will bless us in bounty, because we had suffered so much, the people had suffered so much for the last 1 year, more than a year now, because of the restrictions and pandemic situation. And hopefully all this will go after this festival of ours, Nongkrem dance.
Can you tell us?
Very positive and good signs prevail, and hopefully that the reality will come in the days to come. That all this is done with, and that we'll have better days ahead. The change is there. The change is palpable. The change is palpable. But still, when we have our own unique festival in untampered with, in its originality, So we see that it still attracts attention and attracts dancers, young people especially, which is a very positive sign for us. We are hopeful that this will continue, and with some amenities for the festival, we'll see that this will improve.